Hi everyone, welcome back to your favourite place on YouTube, My Attic, and what is becoming YouTube's #1 series, Attic Ventilation 101. So, I've got some new vents over here. I think I got a better deal than last time, so I'll put the link for these in the description. I got 2 packs, and I don't mean the wrapper. And here are the previous vents, as you can see there, and dotted around. Not enough, do you know what I mean? And forget about the vents, guys. Look at the condensation. Look at that. Like, it is still alive and well, like crazy. I honestly feel like I'm about to over ventilate this thing. Or maybe like the condensation was fine until I opened up like the attic hatch to get in here. You know what I mean? I don't know, but I'm gonna put some more of these vents in and see what the deal is. And so with that, let's get these opened up. Let's get it going. Okay. If they want to come apart, that is. Why are they stuck together? What is going on here? Come on. There we go. So there we go, guys. I'm going to get this and slot it in. And it's going to go all over that side because there's not a single one on that side. So all over that side. And maybe some more on this side too. I'm sure this is going to probably result in over ventilation of this attic. Is that possible? Can somebody leave some comments on me and stuff? Let me know if it's possible to over ventilate. And what the effects are of that. Let me put my torch on just so we can see all this condensation. One sec. Torch is on. No difference there, is there? Can't see if it's more or less or what, but ridiculous, isn't it, guys? Come on, look at the state of this. Like, this has been going on for years. Make sure you check your attic, guys. Check it for condensation and that. What are the implications of this, guys? What if, you know, if this was left untreated, what would happen? I'm assuming, like, the wood would rot and stuff like that, but what's the deal? Isn't this wood, like, designed to handle this kind of stuff, or what? What's the crack? I don't know how long this has been going on for. I don't know if it's because of all the stuff that I've put in here and that's messed with the ventilation, or what. Like, is that like dark and rotten over there? Anyway, I'm now going to proceed through this crystal maze. I'm not going to enjoy it, and I'll come back to you guys shortly. Alright guys, just spotted something that I should show you. Okay, over there, that's the previous model of vent that I've put in. And I've just put in one of the new ones that I've got. And if you just look at something here, this vent here, the new one, it has its curvature on the top side. So it's curving upwards like that. And then the vent to the actual slot things are at the bottom. That slots onto your existing material. But the curve's on the top. Now look at the one that's the older model. The curve is on the bottom. See the bottom curve down there? I reckon the more superior model is the new one. I think that you want this curve on the top. That's going to give you better ventilation. Like, if you have a look, I can basically see through that. One sec, I'll show you. Like, I can see right through that. You know what I mean? The other one, although yeah, I'm not as close to it, you know, we're not best mates or out, I can't see right through that. But I can on this one. So yeah, you want the curve on top, guys. So make sure when you look at these to buy them, the flap things are at the bottom and the curve is at the top. I reckon that's better. Okay. I'll just show you this part as well while I'm here. They slot in really easy, guys. All of them do this. Old model, new model, whatever. They tend to slot in really easily. Okay. And that's literally it. Look, that's it. One finger. Job done. Pushed in. Now, see something interesting, guys. Okay, apparently this material is supposed to have a sag in it. It's not supposed to be attached tightly. It's supposed to have sag in it naturally, and this membrane stuff, and then that allows the air to flow through it. So this has been put on too tight. That's one thing. Other thing is potentially this is cheap stuff that's on here, and you want more expensive stuff. Somebody put a comment on my last video about that, so replacing this with more expensive stuff may well be the solution too. Weird, it's like, how wet is this? It's not, I can't feel any moisture, but it's just not good, is it? Alright guys, the job is done. There's that side, which I do honestly now think is potentially over ventilated. I don't know. And then this is the other side here, which is still under ventilated probably. Again, I don't know. Do you know what I mean, guys? Just dotted around. Guys, like, I've come back in here and this is with vents in now, and it's still very wet up there, like really wet. We'll see how it goes, we'll see what happens. Wish me luck on that, and I hope your guys' attics are all fine and all that stuff. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, and I will see you later. Oh yeah, link in description for these. I'm sure it was a better price than I saw previously. In fact, it was a really good price, so I'll make sure that's in the description. Okay guys, take it easy, see you later, bye bye.